Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the E-Therapeutics or RxTX tool provided by the Canadian Pharmacist Association. This is something that we'll be using frequently throughout our pharmacy technician program, particularly in pharmacology. So in today's video, I will show you how to access the E-Therapeutics online tool, where to find key information to help you complete your pharmacology assignments, and some information that might be helpful in pharmacy practice. So to begin, you just go to the Selkirk College website, which is selkirk.ca. From there, you click on Library up at the top, and then Databases. And from there, we scroll down to the Canadian Pharmacist Association, RxTX. There's an on-campus access, and there's a remote access. So when you're off campus, you use the remote access. Click Connect, and it'll bring you to the login page where you'll enter your username and password that have been given to you. Log in, and you will be taken to the homepage for the RxTX E-Therapeutics tool. So here you can see a variety of headings. There's drugs, conditions, resources, advisories, and Lexi Interact. Primarily what we'll be using for pharmacology would be under drugs. So here you can find drug monographs, which is the information about the medication. You can find some interactive clinical tools, different calculators, and different tools that will show you how drugs interact with food and grapefruit, which is quite useful. The products for minor ailments will show you medications that are available over the counter primarily for a variety of diseases and conditions. The product identification tool allows you to find photographs of medications as well as enter descriptions of medications in order to find out what that medication is. The Lexi Interactions tool will give you a quick way to check if 2 or more medications have a drug interaction. So those are the most useful tools under the drugs heading. Under conditions, the most useful tool for you at this point will be the therapeutic choices, which will break the body down into body systems and different conditions, and it will give you all the information regarding the treatment of that condition. Under resources, you may find the directories to be useful when you're in pharmacy practice. They will give you the contact information of manufacturers of medications, different health organizations, and different poison control centers. Another important area when you're out in pharmacy practice would be the advisories area. This is where you can find up-to-date information on Health Canada advisories and also reporting and request forms from Health Canada. So if you have a patient in practice that has an adverse reaction to a medication that's quite unusual, it's a good idea to fill out a reporting form and send it to Health Canada so that they can be aware. So I'll show you how to search a drug in the drug monograph area. You can search by brand, generic, manufacturer, class, drug identification number, or natural product number. So for example, I'm going to search amoxicillin. And you can see that there's a variety of results. The first one is usually the best. It's usually going to be the Canadian Pharmacist Association monograph, which is going to contain the most information. If you click on that, you can see that you will find all the information that you're going to need for your pharmacology assignments regarding the use of the medication, contraindications, adverse reactions, drug interactions, dosage, the clinical pharmacology, which is the mechanism of action and how the drug acts in the body, as well as the storage and stability. So all the important information about each medication that you will need for your assignments will be listed here. Okay, another really neat tool that I just want to show you is the Lexi Interact. And this is very useful in our program as well as out in practice. If you want to see if two medications interact with each other, you simply type them in. So I'm going to check ramipril and let's say aspirin. You can use brand or generic names. So once you have two or more medications here, you can click Analyze. And it'll show you what level of drug interaction occurs between the two, whether it's no interaction right up until you should avoid this combination. So this one falls under C, the monitor therapy. And here you can click on the link and it'll show you some more detailed information about what will happen between these two medications and what you should do about it. So there you go, a couple useful tools in the E-Therapeutics online database. I hope that will help you in completing your assignments. And let me know if you have any questions.